Good morning, everyone. Welcome to the online class. And today, again, we are going through New Pathways book, okay, with the second chapter. And what is the second chapter? Our second chapter is My Early Days with the Chimpanzees, okay, My Early Days with the Chimpanzee. It is an interesting story about chimpanzees and, okay, we'll see it later. So here some starter is given. How much do you know about chimpanzees? Okay, there is a way to know about means to know more about chimpanzees. Okay, work with your partner to take this chimpanzees quiz to check. Say whether the following statements are true or false. Okay, I will go with this. Okay, I'll wait for a second, and in that you have to answer it, and you have yourself you have to check whether you are giving the answers, how many answers you have given correct or not. Okay, it's just a true false. Just before answering, I will take a short break. I will take a second break. Okay. First, chimpanzees are called the great apes along with orangutans and gorillas. True or false? It's true. Second, wild chimpanzees live in Asia, Africa, and Australia. True or false? False. Chimpanzees are strictly herbivorous animal. True or false? It's false. Just like we human being can use tools, chimpanzees can use tools as well. For example, they can crack a nut with rocks. True or false? True. After human beings, chimpanzees are considered to be the most intelligent animals on this planet. True or false? True. Chimpanzees population steadily growing now. False. Baby chimpanzees cling to their mother's belly for the first few months after their birth. True or false? True, as you can see in the picture also. Chimpanzees are called knuckle walker. Yes, true. A fully grown chimpanzee can be 5 to 6 times stronger than a human being. Yeah, true. As you have seen some pictures over this also. Chimpanzees can never walk upright. False. It is really false. Okay. So this is about chimpanzees. You can study it, and I can take a means I can take a rapid fire round also with this. So please go with this properly. Okay. Now we'll start the chapter. Jane Goodall spent more than 55 years observing wild chimpanzees in Gom Stream National Park in Tanzania. Read an expert from her autobiographical writing. July 16, 1960 was a day I shall remember all my life. It was when I first set foot on the shingle and sand beach of Chimpanzee Land, that is Gombe National Park. Gombe National Park. I was 26 years old. Mum and I were greeted by two African game scouts who were responsible for protecting the 30 square miles of the park. They helped us find a place where we could put up our old ex army tent. We chose a lovely spot under some trees near the small, fast flowing Kakombe stream. Okay, so as Jane Goodall, who is the writer of this uh, chapter, who is the writer of this chapter, she has when she visited to Africa. Okay, she first set foot on the single and sand beach chimpanzee land. Okay, that is Gom National Park. She visited there with her mother. Okay, and she was like invited by the two African game scouts, okay, who were responsible for protecting 30 square miles of the park. The Gom National Park, who was responsible for protecting the 30 square miles of the park. They helped us when they helped the African game squad who was responsible. They helped them like Goodall and her mother to place a ex-army tent, which chose where they chose a lovely spot under the trees. Okay, fast flowing Kakombe stream. Every morning I got up when I heard the alarm clock at 5:30 a.m. I ate a couple of slices of bread and had a cup of coffee from the flask. Miss every morning she used to wake up at the alarm of 5:30 a.m. Okay, and after that she ate a slices of bread, two slices of bread, and had a cup of tea from the flask. You must have seen flask. Okay, then I set off, climbing to where I thought the chimps might be. Chimps means chimpanzees, okay? Most often I went to the peak. I discovered that from this high place I had a splendid view in all the direction. Means she used to climb to where she can see chimps means chimpanzees, okay? She went to the peak also, and when she reached up at the peak place, she discovered that from this high place she had a wonderful view in all the directions. I could see chimps moving in the trees and I could hear if they called. Means she could see chimpanzees were moving from tree to tree and could hear if they called. After first I watched from afar, though through my binocular, means using two eyes or viewpoints, and never tried to get close. Means she used to watch all the chimpanzees from the very far off places, okay, and never try to get close and have a look of chimpanzees. I knew that if I did, the chins would run away silently. Means if she had made an effort to go and watch it closely, she knew that all the chins would run and away silently. Gradually, slowly, I began to learn about the chimps. Means she was interested to know about chimpanzees, and slowly she was getting knowledge about the chimpanzees, home, and how they lived, all the things whatever the chimpanzees were doing. I discovered that most of the time the chimps wandered about in a small groups of six or less, not in a big troop like the baboons. What is this baboons? So baboons are large ground dwelling monkeys with a long dog like snout and large teeth. Means they were not like that baboons, okay? They wandered from place to place but in a small group like six or in a less also. Okay, often a little group was made up of mother with her children or two or three adult males by themselves. Means when they were wandering from one place to another, they were like mother with her children and two three adults male was there with them every time. Sometimes many groups joined together, especially when there was delicious ripe fruit on a big tree. Means whenever they find that some of the fruits are ripe on the tree, they usually join together in a large group for having that delicious ripe fruit. When the chimps got together like that, they were excited, made a lot of noises, and were easy to find. Means, whenever they were in the group, they make lots of noises. They means it get easy for anyone to find out where can chimpanzees. Okay, so these are the things she was learning gradually. She learning about the chimpanzees, where about their home and how they live. She get to know that they are not moving in a group more than six, or they are having less in number. They were moving with the mother and their children with two or three adult male also. Okay, so these are the things she came to know. I realized that chimps I watched from the peak were all part of one group, a community. Okay, means they were all in a community. There were about 50 chimps belonging to this community. Means in a community, they belonging to 50 chimpanzees. Okay, means a group that shares a common idea viewpoint. Okay, there were 50 chimpanzees who had, means who shared their ideas equally. Okay, they were like following only one decisions together. From the peak, I noted which trees the chimps were feeding in, and then when they had gone. Means from the peak, where the Goodall was viewing binocular, she was viewing that using from a viewpoint. She used to see that um, where all the chimpanzees feeding themselves, on which tree they were feeding themselves, and when they had gone. I scrambled down and collected some of the leaves, flowers, or fruits so they could be identified later. When she used to collected all the leaves, flowers, and fruits to identify the chimpanzees. I found that the chimps eat mostly fruits, but also a good many kind of leaves, blossoms, seeds, and stems. Means whatever the things, she came here to learn about the chimpanzees, so she came to know that whatever which food and what they are eating. She came to know that they were eating fruits, but also a good many kind of leaves also, blossoms, seeds, and stems also. Later, I would discover that they also eat a variety of insects and sometimes hunt and kill prey animals also. Means she could discover that chimpanzees also, like they were used to eat insects, and sometimes they hunt and kill prey animal also. Like they were hunting animals to feed on meat. During those method of gradual discovery, means that was the initial, that was the like best discovery that chimpanzees are using. They also eat a variety of insects, and sometimes they hunt and prey animals also to feed on meat. The chimps were slowly began to realize that I was not frightening after all. Means chimpanzees also they noticed her, and the chimpanzees also came to know that this girl is not frightened. Ever so, it was almost a year before I could approach them within 100 yards, and that is not really very close. And later on, when she realized, when after 1 year, she could approach them, but with the distance of 100 yards, and that was not really close. 100 yards is also a, it is a measuring with the bat also you can measure it 1 yard. With the help of a bat you can measure it 1 yard, 2 yard. Okay, and with that you can measure it 100 yards. Means with that distance, Goodall used to watch chimpanzees. As the time went by, I began to learn more about the other creatures that shared the forest with the chimpanzees. Means after that, she came to know about the creatures, the other creatures which were means they were also sharing the forest with that chimpanzees. There were four kinds of monkeys in addition to baboons. As I have told you, what is baboons? Baboons are large ground dwelling monkey. They are like monkey with a long dog-like snout and large teeth also. Okay, so there were four kinds of monkey in additional to baboons, and many smaller animals such as squirrels and mongoose. These are the most common thing you can see in your present life also. There was also a whole variety of nocturnal. Nocturnal means the creature who was taking place at night. Okay, so like porcupines and scythes and all manners of rat and mice. Only a very few animals in the forests at Gom were potentially dangerous, mainly buffalo and leopards. And of course, there are poisonous snakes, seven different kinds. There were many. So these are the animals who were sharing the forest with the chimpanzees. So this is all about today. As you can see, Goodall was there in the forest. She came to learn about the chimpanzees. She came to know about their lifestyle of chimpanzees, what they eat, how they move, how they means they were how when they are getting excited. Everything she came to know about, and she also came to know the great discovery was that like chimpanzees are means they also eat a variety of insects and sometimes hunt and kill prey animals also for feeding on meat. So this is all about the chapter. And one more thing I want to repeat, that this true and false what is given here, I'll take a rapid fire round for this. Okay, so you have to study this. Okay, so this is all about the chapter today, and tomorrow we'll discuss the rest part of this chapter. Okay, so go through the assignment and video properly, watch the video thoroughly and properly. Okay, so have a good day.